Hi friends, today I will tell you about Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but before I start, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the like button. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus was launched on 23rd of August 2019. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a glass and aluminium body with a large 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display, which has a screen resolution of 1440 by 3040 pixels, which is easily one of the best displays you will find on a smartphone in 2019. This display is a joy to watch videos and play games. There is a Gorilla Glass V6 present on the top of the screen that helps to get rid of the scratches. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus is powered by a brand new Exynos 9825. The processor of the Exynos 9825 is great. The apps open quickly and graphic-intense games run smoothly. With the Note 10 Plus, you will get 12 GB of RAM, which is more than enough to handle day-to-day multitasking needs. It also comes up with 1512 GB of internal storage, and you can add up to 1 TB additional storage via a micro SD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, Galaxy Note 10 Plus comes with 12 megapixel primary camera with super speed dual pixel autofocus and even optical image stabilization. The secondary camera is 16 megapixel, one with a ultra wide angle lens and a 123-degree field of view. Next, there is a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. Finally, Samsung has also added a depth vision camera, which is a time of flight sensor that can scan objects in 3D. At the front, Samsung has opted for a 10 megapixel selfie shooter with dual pixel autofocus and a 80-degree field of view. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus supports a 4300 mAh battery and is capable of delivering over a day and a half of battery life that comes with 25-volt charger which charges the phone completely in an hour. Now let's talk about the S Pen. Samsung has redesigned the S Pen for the Note 10 Plus by giving the unibody design. Additionally, the S Pen comes with Bluetooth LE and supports new air action feature that uses the gyro sensor to perform actions on the Note 10 Plus by waving the S Pen in the air. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus will be available in Aura Glow, white and black colors. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus 256 GB will be sold in 79,999 and 512 GB in 89,999 rupees.